Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how you can go live on Facebook using your OBS Studio. So first thing first, head over to your Facebook. Before you go live, make sure that you are eligible for going live. You need to have a couple number of followers, so if you have it, you will see this live video under what's on your mind. Go ahead, click onto it. As you can see that I have not have 100 followers yet, so I cannot go live. But I'm sure that you can go live, so select go live right here. And once you select go live, you will also see a stream key. So make sure that you copy the stream key and then open your OBS Studio. In here, select settings, then select stream. Under service, go for Facebook Live. Now the stream key you have to paste right here and select show or something called done. And once you do so, select apply. Now in my case, I don't have any, but this is what you should do. And likewise, as you do that, your Facebook will be shown here, but delete this. And you're gonna have to add another screen. So select this plus button. And for media source, you can also select this video capture. If you have a webcam, you can also use it. In my case, I'm just gonna select window capture, select OK. Under window, I'm gonna select this one for Facebook. As you can see, my Facebook screen is showing right now. Select OK, and everything I do here, that will be all recorded in OBS Studio. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching.